Hi everyone, I'm Anthony Macedo, and this is 209 Carmichael Avenue in Toronto's North York. And I gotta say, this house is absolutely phenomenal. It's a 4+1 bedroom home with 5 bathrooms. So let's go check it out. Come on guys. Welcome. Let's go check out the dining room, living room area. We got nice hardwood floors in here. The homeowner has done a great job with all of her paintings. Look at the potential of what you could do with this room. All right, now let's go check out the family room area. Follow me. As you enter the family room, you got beautiful gray walls, freshly painted. 10-foot ceilings in here, they're nice and high. You have your nice cupboards over here and your nice fireplace as well. You have a walkout to your deck on the outside to your beautiful backyard, which we'll see later on in the video. Let's go check out the kitchen. You have a dine-in table here, nice chandelier fixture. These countertops are amazing, guys. We also got amazing appliances here. Look at the size of this fridge. It's like 3 of me. We got our Wolf appliances. Great company, very reliable. Everything about this kitchen I love. You have your beautiful island in the middle, great cabinetries in here, cabinets. If you love cooking, this is perfect for you. Now let's check out the upstairs. Let's go see the primary bedroom. Look at the size of this bedroom. You got a walk-in closet. You got your 6-piece washroom in there. Everything from the paint to the finishes is outstanding. Look at this walk-in closet. Let's go check out this wonderful 6-piece washroom. If you want to take a bath while watching a World Cup game, this is the washroom to be in. Check this out. You can watch whatever shows you like. You even open up your blinds and look out the window if you want. Probably want to keep them closed if you're taking a bath. And check out this toilet. This toilet is awesome. It has a built-in bidet and a heated seat. So in this bathroom, you got 2 sinks, his and hers. You got a floating bathtub, a beautiful toilet with a built-in bidet, and heated seat. Because you never know, on those cold winter days here in Toronto, you might need it. And we have our shower. And right outside our main bedroom, we have our upper level laundry. Take a look. Let's take a look at the second bedroom. In the corner, you have your closet, good amount of storage, and we have a 3-piece bathroom here. Go check it out. Just out here in the hallway, we have our linen closet, and it's right outside of this 4-piece bathroom with a sink, toilet, tub, and shower. Now let's check out the third bedroom. You have a huge closet here, deep storage. Not as big as the walk-in closet, obviously, but it's a great use of space. We have 2 beautiful picture windows overlooking this outstanding neighborhood with great neighbors, by the way. I had a chance to speak to the neighbor next door. This is our 4th bedroom, which is being used as another walk-in closet. And again, you have a picture window overlooking this outstanding neighborhood. Check out this place. Now let's go downstairs to the basement. Let's go. As we make our way to the basement, we have another bathroom here. Check it out. 2 pieces, got a beautiful sink and countertop and your toilet. Basement's awesome. Come down here and check it out. This is your mudroom located at the front of your house, just at the bottom of your driveway, and your garage. We got some storage in there right now, so we're not gonna go in. Let's check out the rest of the basement. We have even more storage in this house underneath the staircase. Big closet here, goes deep, store whatever you want in there. We have central vac as well. And just across the hall, we have our boiler room. Don't really need to see too much of that. As you make your way down, we have another beautiful washroom here. 3 pieces, beautiful shower, beautiful countertops. And here at the back of the house, we have our rec room with a nice fireplace, cabinets along the side over here, and more storage. But that's not all. There's another bedroom down here. Right now it's being used as an office, but there's ample space in here to be another bedroom. And a nice big window too. In this basement, we also have a walkout to your beautiful backyard with your pool. Now let's go check out the backyard. In this backyard, you have a beautiful deck area, walk out from your kitchen that overlooks your outstanding pool here. This pool is wonderful for a family or just kicking back and relaxing after a hard day's work. This backyard is awesome. You have lots of space for your tanning chairs where you can just sit back and relax. It's so beautiful out here, I might just stay here for the rest of the day. No grass maintenance here. You got a beautiful garden all the way around the perimeter. You got storage underneath the deck. This pool and backyard is great, guys. It's great for a barbecue, entertaining, family activities, friends coming over, whatever you desire. This house, this property, this backyard is truly outstanding. If you want to book a showing on this property, reach out to me at 289-221-7839 and I'll be happy to help you move into your dream home. Take care, guys.